In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kling 2.6 video on Higgsfield from an image or clip. We'll walk through the full process from getting to the right tool to generating your final video with a few helpful tips along the way so you get the best possible results. First, head to the Higgsfield website in your browser. When you arrive, look for the main navigation across the top of the page. Move your cursor over the video section to reveal the available video tools and models. From that menu, choose Kling 2.6. This is the workspace you'll use to transform images or existing clips into dynamic, AI-powered videos. Inside the Kling 2.6 page, start by uploading your source file. You can either drag and drop your image or video into the upload area, or click the upload button and select it from your computer. Higher quality files generally yield cleaner results, so use a clear, well-lit image or a stable video clip if you have one. If you're using an image, make sure the subject is easy to distinguish from the background to help the model understand what to animate. Once your file is uploaded, write a detailed prompt to guide the transformation. Specificity matters here. Describe the subject, the desired motion, the style or mood, and any camera movement you want, like a smooth pan, a slow zoom, or a handheld feel. Mention lighting or environment if it's important. Soft sunset light, neon city glow, or studio lighting can all make a difference. If there's anything you want to avoid, you can include that too. Keep it concise but clear, focusing on what you want to see and how it should feel. Before moving on, make sure the audio toggle is switched on. This ensures your final video includes sound if the tool supports audio generation or retains audio from your uploaded clip. If there's a volume control or preview, set it now so the sound complements the visuals. Next, set the duration and aspect ratio. Pick a duration that suits your content, whether you're aiming for a quick loop or a longer sequence. For aspect ratio, choose 16.9 for widescreen, 9:16 for vertical mobile viewing, or 1:1 for square. Match the ratio to where you plan to share the video to avoid awkward cropping. When everything looks right, click Generate. The system will process your request and render the video. Once it's done, preview the result, and if you're happy, save or export it. That's the entire workflow. Simple, clear, and ready for you to create standout visuals with Kling 2.6 on Higgsfield.